बहुत ही यूनिक प्रमोशनल स्ट्रैटेजी है द गाजी अटैक प्रमोट करने के लिए। ये बहुत ही यूनिक स्ट्रैटेजी है द गाजी अटैक प्रमोट करने के लिए फिल्म को प्रमोट। तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
So first, yes, it is unique. It is also unique because there's very few people who will think so far ahead like Bajaj did, and they've actually helped us own a part of history. अगर आप देखिए तो INS Vikrant, it's been one of our most celebrated aircraft carrier, helped us many times during war in terms of safeguarding the coast of India, and here you go. It's a piece that every one of us can own, and when a film like this is made, I think this is the best association we can ever do with any brand in any format.
And how does it feel to be a part of such a film which is partly based on history and partly fictionalized?
Well, the first reason why we did this film is because it's a very important story to tell. We've always seen films that have glorified the army, that have spoken so many tales about the police. I think it's important that India has the first naval film and the first naval submarine film. I think this is somewhere a tribute from all of us civilians to the great naval fleet that India has.
Can you share some experience that did you shot in a real submarine or something like that, or it was like
Well, we had a exact two design submarine that we'd built, because obviously the old submarines are not in use anymore, and some of the pieces like the Vikrant are melted and become motorcycles now. So we just had blueprints and designs that were almost exact of the S-21 and of PNS Ghazi, and that's where we shot. So it was a hydraulic set which actually moves. It was engineered very well, half in water and half on land, and that's where the film was shot.
And how does it
I prefer speaking in English, sir, because ये सोच जो है ना अंग्रेजी में आता है, वही प्रॉब्लम है सर. थैंक्स
क्योंकि आप
सर.
यहाँ पर प्रमोशन का एक बिल्कुल अलग अंदाज है
जी.
तो ये प्रमोशन स्ट्रेटेजी है या फिर मतलब आपका बाइक से प्यार है?
Sir, दोनों चीज़ you can say it's both. It's a great association for a film like this, because obviously if you see history, the reason why PNS Ghazi came to India was to track down and hunt INS Vikrant, and the only enemy or the only threat for an aircraft carrier is a submarine. So Pakistan had sent their only one submarine, which is PNS Ghazi, and here you go, Vikrant is here today, continuing to be the most celebrated aircraft carrier, and it's lovely that Bajaj has it for all of us to own this little piece.
are you a bike lover or something?
पर्सनली आपकी बात करें तो आप क्या एंजॉय करते हैं, कार राइड या बाइक राइड?
See, one is I'm actually a bit of both, bit of everything. Depends on what time of the day and what am I doing that point. Sir.
You also taken underwater, आपके license है underwater?
जी, मैं एक डीप सी डाइवर हूँ सर.
क्या आपने इसमें?
सर, मैं एक प्रोफेशनल डीप सी डाइवर हूँ. It's been 1 second. Let me adjust myself. Thank you very much. I'm a big guy, so sorry. So yes, I've been a professional deep sea diver for many years, and obviously I didn't do that for a while. And when I started this film, obviously required a lot of underwater action sequences, so I had to prep up again. And you've seen it in the promo, and you'll see a lot more of that in the film.
आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म बाहुबली 2 भी बहुत जल्दी आने वाली है.
जी.
People excited for that. What would you like to say about that? It's about to release in April.
Yes, it's not about it will release in April. And well, sir, what do I have to say? It is I'll have to thank all the Hindi-speaking audiences for making it such a big brand, such a big franchise, and we put all our heart and soul in making part 2 even bigger, even better. And there you go, you'll get that answer of why Kattappa killed Bahubali very soon.
रोबोट भी सेम
जी.
कैनवास पे अगर आप
जी.
बात करें रोबोट वो भी लार्जर देन लाइफ ही है.
Of course, sir.
बाहुबली जो है वो भी.
जी.
क्या आपको लगता है कि साउथ से अब जो ज़्यादा ऐसी फिल्में जो है वो साउथ से ज़्यादा निकल कर आ रही है?
सर.
बॉलीवुड को भी मतलब फोकस करना चाहिए.
सर, हमें तो फिल्में बना रहे सर बस. And it's for, see, the good thing is, out of what Bahubali has taught us, or what now today Robo will continue to do, is if you're a film, see, India is one country, and though we speak many different languages, say I was born in Chennai, I speak Tamil. I grew up in Hyderabad, I speak Hindi and Telugu, and the British has taught us English. But ultimately, we are filmmakers, we are artists. If we want to make a film sitting anywhere, it is that confidence and that strength in that audience that if it's a good film, there's an entire country out there to watch you. So I think that is really the faith that these films have installed in all of us.
क्योंकि लोगों में बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी है कि ये जानने की कि बाहुबली जो है कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों माना?
जी।
तो आपको लगता है इसका फायदा भी मिलेगा?
100% सर, 1-2 महीने में आ रहा है फिल्म, प्लीज जस्ट होल्ड ऑन, यू हेल्ड ऑन फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम बट इट्स जस्ट अनदर 2 months away.
Any more Hindi films in the pipeline? Like,
Well, I have 2 in the next 4 months, and I'm sure I will. These are very very big films by themselves, and then I will figure from there on.
How the collaboration in Dharma Production?
Well, both Dharma Productions and Anil Talani have been really pillars of support, whether it was for Bahubali or for Ghazi, and for Bahubali 2 that is coming. It's see, when we are sitting not in Bombay, not in Mumbai, we are making Hindi films, sitting in Hyderabad, sitting in Chennai, sitting in different places. We need the right people to guide us, to present this film, and to bring it to all of you out there. And I think there were no finer people than them to do it.
कई हाल ही में फिल्में रिलीज हुई है बॉलीवुड में,
जी।
दंगल हो गया, रईस
जी,
हो गया,
जी,
काबिल हो गया,
जी।
आपने कोई देखी और कौन सी आपको पसंद आई?
I was a huge fan of Dangal this day I saw it, and that was a film that I liked all the films, but Dangal is definitely a very very special film.
राना, एक चीज़ और जानना चाहेंगे, हमने सुना है आपने ये बाइक खरीदी भी है, तो
जी।
क्या रीज़न है कि इस बाइक पे?
जी, वही जो मैंने कहा, it is a part of history that you have. It is, see, all the last 1 year of my life I've only been spending researching on what happened in the 1971 war, how all the incidents kind of took place, and what India went through when the war was actually taking place. And I know the importance of INS Vikrant at that time in the 71 war. I know it was the most powerful and the most celebrated piece of the aircraft carrier that we've had, and it's lovely that they've made a part of it for all of us Indians to have this piece. So I think I should be a proud owner of it.
राना, एक चीज़ और जानना चाहूँगी, बिकॉज यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ बॉलीवुड, तो साथ ही जानना चाहूँगी क्योंकि बॉलीवुड की जो फिल्म्स बन रही हैं,
जी।
जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है वो उसका बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स का स्कूप बना बना के अपनी पार्टी को प्रमोट कर रही है, तो इस पे आपका क्या ओपिनियन है? लाइक शाहरुख के फेस पे अखिलेश का फेस लगाना एंड अपनी पार्टी को प्रमोट करना, इस तरीके से।
जी, one thing-
सीएम का भी लगाया हुआ है।
सीएम का भी लगाया है,
सर, मैं-
तो क्या
I
आपको
haven't-
लगता है किसी भी तरीके का यूज़ हो रहा है?
See, I haven't seen all of that. I live in a city called Hyderabad, a little far away from here. Now we have different political parties, different issues. When I go to Chennai, there's another different issue, another different problem. So I don't really keep track of what's happening in that space.
thank you guys.
Thank you very much. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.